Sooner or later, you're going to need something to put on a cut, some kind of a medicine to help you with your headache. When you move into your own apartment, mommy isn't there to help you anymore. So you're going to have to be ready when things happen. And those things will happen eventually. You're eventually going to be cutting your finger in the kitchen. You're going to burn your hand. You're going to have a bug bite. You're going to have a headache. When those things happen, you're going to need one of these first aid kits. You're going to need to have this somewhere where it's accessible. And in it, you're going to keep a whole bunch of stuff that you know you're going to need. Let's take a look at what's inside of these first aid kits that you have to have in your kitchen or in your bathroom, somewhere safe where you can go to it when you have a need for one of these items. Let's see what's inside of these guys. Okay, what are you going to do if you cut your hand, cut your finger? You're going to need Band-Aids. You have to have these somewhere nearby so you can take care of that. If you do cut your finger, wash it out nice and clean, wipe it down, put some Neosporin on top of the cut, and then put a Band-Aid on top of it. You might sometimes need something to help cover the cut. Liquid skin is nice. What if you start sneezing because you're allergic to something? You need something to help you with that. Benadryl and Claritin are two things over the counter you could consider. I'm not prescribing medicine here. I'm just saying, if you know you're going to have an allergic reaction to something, Benadryl will be very useful in that. What if you have a headache? You're going to need some Tylenol or ibuprofen or something, Advil. What if your stomach is upset? Some Pepto-Bismol helps. What if your cut is real big? You're going to need some kind of a bandage to cover it. Let's say you get something into your eyes. You need something to wash out whatever went in. If you get a rash because you went outside and you got bitten by mosquitoes, calamine lotion is the way to go. You went into the ocean and now your ears are ringing. This might be useful. Put a couple of drops in your ear and it'll help with relieving some of those pains. Again, hydrocortisone for burns and mosquito bites. Itch relief stick. This is nice because you can dab it onto the areas that have the bug bites. Having these things at hand in a nice one place to go to is essential in your new apartment. So make sure you have these things handy and know where everything is, and when you use it, put it back in the medicine cabinet or into your first aid kit so you don't go looking for it when you need it. Okay? It's just basic common sense to have these over-the-counter medications and treatments available for that occasion when you really need it. You're not going to want to go to the pharmacy to buy Band-Aids if your hand is bleeding. You need that now. So keep it handy so you're ready. That's what it means to be an adult.